These viral Amazon kitchen gadgets are making cooking ridiculously easy in 2026. And honestly, a few of them feel almost too genius to exist. But don't skip number 4 and the crazy gadget at number 28. That thing alone is blowing up all over the internet right now. Upgrade your breakfast game with the Martha Stewart rotating waffle maker. Designed for perfectly golden, fluffy waffles every time. Its 180 degrees flip ensures even cooking, while PFAS-free non-stick plates make cleanup effortless. With an adjustable timer, ready light, and space-saving design, it's both smart and stylish. Grab this sleek stainless steel waffle maker for just $60. Easily slice and core fruits with the apple slicer. This heavy-duty cutter handles apples up to 3.8 inches, features 8 slices, a comfort handle, and a stable stand. Plus, it comes with tomato cutting blades for versatile, quick, and safe kitchen prep. Cook smarter with the Cosori Iconic 6.5 QT Smart Air Fryer. Featuring PFAS-free ceramic coating and temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it delivers crispy, consistent results every time. With multiple functions, air fry, roast, bake, dry proof, and reheat, plus a dishwasher-safe basket, it makes healthy, hassle-free cooking easy. Upgrade your kitchen with this 4-piece non-toxic cutting board set. Made from BPA-free plastic and rubber, it includes premium scissors and an organizer to keep everything in place. Dishwasher-safe and durable, it's perfect for all your chopping, slicing, and meal prep needs. Meet the Zojirushi Zudo 5-cup coffee maker. Compact, stylish, and built for great taste every morning. This sleek red brewer features a removable water tank for easy filling, a charcoal water filter for cleaner flavor, and a durable, PFAS-free design you can trust. Perfect for small kitchens, it delivers rich, smooth coffee without the hassle. All for just $90. Make breakfast faster and more fun with the Dash Multi-Mini Waffle Maker. Designed to cook 4 delicious mini waffles at once for the whole family. Featuring dual non-stick heating plates, a fast heating system, and an easy-release surface, it delivers perfect waffles every time with quick cleanup. Compact, stylish, and perfect for busy mornings. All for just $39. Make perfect breakfast every time with this 4-pack silicone egg ring set. These non-stick, easy-to-use molds help you cook round eggs, pancakes, and breakfast sandwiches, perfectly shaped to fit McMuffin-style biscuits. Treat yourself anytime with the Dash My Mug Ice Cream Maker. The fun and easy way to make single servings of ice cream, gelato, frozen yogurt, sorbet, and more right at home. Featuring 2 bowls and a compact aqua design, it's simple to use, easy to clean, and perfect for quick homemade desserts. Enjoy delicious frozen treats for just $45. Prep garlic faster and cleaner with the Garlic Appeal Garlic Press, an all-in-one tool that crushes, cuts, minces, and stores garlic with ease. Featuring sharp stainless steel blades, a silicone garlic peeler, and an easy-to-clean design, it's the perfect kitchen gadget for every home cook. Get fresh garlic flavor in seconds for just $19. Upgrade your kitchen with this 3-pack teak wood cutting board set, just $56. Crafted from heavy-duty, non-toxic hardwood, these thick, durable boards are perfect for chopping meat, prepping meals, or serving charcuterie. With multiple sizes for every task, they double as elegant over-the-sink boards and stylish serving platters for everyday cooking and entertaining. Upgrade your cooking with the Astercook 21-piece non-stick ceramic cookware set. Featuring a detachable handle for easy storage, stackable design, and oven-safe, induction-ready performance, it delivers convenience and versatility, perfect for RVs or modern kitchens. Cook and grill with less mess using this 2-in-1 oil brush bottle. Featuring a silicone brush head and durable borosilicate glass dispenser, it lets you brush and store oil in one handy tool. The leak-proof, no-drip design is perfect for BBQs, camping, and everyday cooking. Convenient, stylish, and only $14, a must-have kitchen gadget. Cook delicious meals anytime with the Cuisinart Griddler 5-in-1 indoor grill. Use it as a grill, panini press, sandwich maker, griddle, and more for endless cooking options. The dishwasher-safe non-stick plates make cleanup quick and easy, while the sleek stainless steel design looks great in any kitchen. Versatile, convenient, and only $100. Make perfect Japanese-style omelets with the Happy Studio Tamagoyaki pan, just $30. Its rectangular non-stick design lets you roll eggs effortlessly for authentic Tamagoyaki every time. With a matching lid and induction compatibility, it delivers even cooking and easy cleanup, ideal for quick, delicious meals at home. Cook perfect rice every time with the Zojirushi NS ZCC 10 Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker, just $242. Using advanced fuzzy logic technology, it automatically adjusts cooking for flawless texture and taste. With a 5.5 cup capacity and keep warm function, it's ideal for everyday meals with consistent, delicious results. Organize your kitchen effortlessly with the all-inside 3-in-1 magnetic wrap dispenser. Made from bamboo wood, it neatly stores plastic wrap, foil, and wax paper with built-in cutters for easy use. Magnetic design and 3-layer storage, perfect for a clean, clutter-free kitchen. Enjoy hot meals anywhere with this 3.5L 2-layer electric lunchbox, just $36. With 90W fast heating and a 304 stainless steel detachable liner, it warms food quickly and safely. Featuring multi-voltage support for car, truck, home, or office, it's the perfect portable solution for fresh, warm meals on the go. Enjoy crispy, grilled flavor straight from your microwave with this microwave grill pan with lid. Perfect for browning meats, crisping sandwiches, and grilling vegetables, it delivers fast, even cooking without a stovetop. The multi-use griddle and crisper tray design makes meals quick, easy, and delicious. Convenient microwave-safe cookware for just $40. Control your cooking with precision using the Yaramate 2-in-1 oil sprayer, just $9. This 16-ounce dark amber glass bottle blocks light to keep oil fresh while offering both spray and pour functions. Perfect for air frying, barbecue, and everyday cooking, it's a simple, mess-free way to use just the right amount every time. Bake fresh, homemade bread effortlessly with the Zojirushi BB HAC 10 mini bread maker, just $270. This compact, programmable machine makes perfect 1-pound loaves with customizable settings for dough, cake, and more. Easy to use and space-saving, it delivers bakery-quality results right from your kitchen. Slice like a pro with the Gramercy adjustable mandolin food slicer. Perfect for potatoes, tomatoes, carrots, onions, fruits, and more, it delivers fast, even cuts every time. Built with durable stainless steel and adjustable settings for precision slicing, it also includes cut-resistant gloves for added safety. At just $39.95, it's the ultimate kitchen tool for quick, effortless meal prep. Make lunch fun and mess-free with this sandwich cutter and sealer set. Easily create crustless, sealed sandwiches in triangle, circle, or square shapes. Perfect for kids' lunchboxes and bento meals. It's quick, safe, and turns ordinary bread into fun, bite-sized snacks kids will love. Great for school lunches, and only $16. Make baking easier and more fun with the 2026 new egg separator. A cute and clever kitchen tool that quickly separates egg yolks from whites with an easy squeeze and release design. Made from food-grade silicone, it's dishwasher-safe, mess-free, and perfect for baking, cooking, and meal prep. Grab this handy kitchen gadget for just $13. Make kitchen prep faster and easier with Gidley kitchen shears, your all-in-one cutting solution. Crafted from heavy-duty stainless steel, these ultra-sharp scissors handle everything from meat to herbs with ease. Plus, you get bonus seafood scissors and a lifetime replacement warranty for peace of mind. Durable, versatile, and just $22, an essential for every kitchen. Shred meat in seconds with the Chicken Shredder Tool Twist, the fast and easy way to prepare chicken, pork, or beef for tacos, sandwiches, salads, and more. Simply place the meat inside and twist for perfectly shredded results every time. BPA-free, durable, and super easy to clean, all for just $7. Upgrade your kitchen with this 7-piece Japanese-style knife set. Crafted from high-carbon stainless steel for sharp, precise cutting, It comes with a foldable magnetic acacia wood block for stylish storage. Featuring anti-slip handles, perfect for everyday cooking and a great gift idea. Keep your kitchen sink organized with the smiley face sponge holder. This stainless steel over-faucet caddy holds sponges neatly while the quick-dry stone mat keeps them clean and dry. Stylish, practical, and easy to install, perfect for a clutter-free kitchen. Enjoy refreshing treats anytime with the Dash Shaved Ice Maker, just $34. Create snow cones, slushies, cocktails, and more in seconds with this easy-to-use machine. Its compact, space-saving design and simple cleanup make it perfect for fun, icy desserts at home. Grill, press, and toast with ease using the OSDBA Panini Press Grill, just $40. With adjustable temperature control and 1200W power, it cooks sandwiches, meats, and more to perfection. The 180 degrees open design gives you extra grilling space, while non-stick plates and a drip tray make cleanup quick and simple. Perfect for fast, delicious meals at home. Upgrade your kitchen with the Budurk 4-piece stainless steel sugar bowl set. Each 9.8-ounce container comes with a matching lid, spoon, and tag for easy labeling. Made from durable stainless steel with an elegant gold finish, these bowls are perfect for storing sugar, coffee, tea, spices, pepper, or herbs. Stylish, practical, and perfect for keeping your condiments organized. Grill smarter with the 9-in-1 grill spatula, just $20. Crafted from 1.5mm thick stainless steel, it flips, slices, scrapes, and even opens bottles with ease. Perfect for barbecue lovers, this all-in-one tool makes outdoor cooking faster, easier, and more fun. An ideal gift for any grill master. Refresh and care for yourself with the Yoni Steam Kit. This all-in-one set includes an intelligent steam seat with a soft cushion and 20 herbal steam bags for a soothing at-home experience. Designed to support feminine hygiene, comfort, and relaxation. Perfect for self-care, postpartum recovery, and monthly wellness routines. Keep your microwave clean and your food perfectly heated with this upgraded microwave splatter cover. Designed with a built-in water steamer, it helps retain moisture while preventing messy splatters. The integrated handle makes it easy to lift, and the 10-inch size fits most plates and bowls. Durable, convenient, and a must-have kitchen essential for just $21. Upgrade your kitchen with the Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized 17-piece cookware set. Featuring durable non-stick surfaces, this complete set includes fry pans, saucepans, a sauté pan, and griddle for all your cooking needs. Built for even heating and easy cleanup, it's also dishwasher safe for maximum convenience. Stylish, durable, and perfect for everyday cooking. All for $200. Enjoy quick and easy meals with this 4-set microwave ramen cooker bowl set. Each 33-ounce bowl lets you cook noodles in minutes right in the microwave. Perfect for college dorms, busy kitchens, or late-night snacks. With easy grip handles plus included spoons, chopsticks, and forks, it's a complete all-in-one noodle solution. Stylish fresh colors, easy cleanup, and 4 full sets for just $30. Spread butter effortlessly with the Chef Master stainless steel butter spreader dispenser. Holds up to 3 sticks, 55 ounces, and features a smooth roller for buns, bread, griddles, and flat tops. Durable, dishwasher safe, and perfect for quick, mess-free serving. Create perfect sealed meals in seconds with the CRIMPT Large Tortilla Sealer. Designed for 10 to 12-inch tortillas, it effortlessly makes tacos, quesadillas, and burritos without the mess. BPA-free and dishwasher safe, it's a quick, fun, and easy way to upgrade your everyday cooking. Keep your homemade goods fresh with the electric mason jar vacuum sealer. Fully automatic and compatible with all regular and wide-mouth mason jars, it seals jars airtight to preserve canned foods, sauces, and pantry staples. Sleek black design makes it easy, efficient, and essential for every kitchen. Organize your spices effortlessly with the Mustorn 2-pack pull-out spice rack organizer. Featuring a 2-tier metal design and smooth slide-out function, it provides easy access to all your seasonings. No drilling required, durable, space-saving, and perfect for keeping your kitchen cabinets neat and tidy. Make perfect breakfast sandwiches every time with these stainless steel egg rings. This 4-pack includes non-stick 3.5-inch griddle rings for frying eggs, pancakes, and more with clean, round shapes. It also comes with an oil brush and egg separator for easy cooking and less mess. Durable, simple to use, and only $10. Perfect for quick homemade breakfasts. Brew cafe quality coffee at home with the Cafe Specialty Grind and Brew Coffee Maker. Just $328. Featuring a built-in grinder, single-serve option, and 10-cup thermal carafe, it delivers rich flavor every time. With Wi-Fi connectivity and SCA certification, it brings smart, barista-level brewing right to your kitchen. Cook like a pro with the Concord 2-quart stainless steel Yukihira pan. Perfect for ramen, tempura, milk, and more. Its durable stainless steel body ensures even heating, while the traditional wooden handle offers a comfortable, safe grip. Lightweight, versatile, and easy to use, this Japanese-style saucepan is a kitchen essential, all for just $20. Handle heat with confidence using the Cuisinart mini oven mitts, just $16. Designed with a non-slip neoprene palm and heat-resistant cotton filling, they provide a secure, comfortable grip. Compact yet durable, they're perfect for baking, cooking, and quick oven tasks, with a handy loop for easy storage. Whisk smarter with the Joseph Twist Whisk 2, in one design. Easily switch between a balloon whisk for whipping and a flat whisk for stirring with a simple twist. Its silicone-coated steel wires are safe for non-stick cookware. Cook anywhere with the Drizzle foldable electric cooker. Designed with dual voltage, 100-240V, it's perfect for travel, camping, offices, or hotels. Made from food-grade silicone, it boils, steams, and cooks noodles or soup with ease. Foldable, compact, and convenient, your go-to portable kitchen solution. Select 53 more words to run Humanizer. Make perfectly shaped burgers every time with the Peak Bar Burger Press Patty Maker. Crafted from durable stainless steel with a comfortable wood handle, this non-stick press helps create juicy, uniform patties in seconds. It also includes 100 patty papers for easy stacking and cleanup. Perfect for BBQs, grilling, and homemade burgers, all for just $13. Prep fresh meals in seconds with the Genacook Salad Chopper with Bowl. Featuring a large 8.5-cup glass bowl, this handy food chopper makes chopping salads, onions, vegetables, and more quick and effortless. BPA-free, dishwasher-safe, and designed for easy meal prep, it's the perfect kitchen tool for busy cooks. All for just $20.